guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindy. I do fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and editing content over here. I actually started my channel to make editing videos, which is why I'm so excited today to be back at you with another editing video. It's been a while since I've done one of these, mainly because I want to do like a video about how I edit my pictures, but it's just such a wide range of things that I do, and things are always different for every picture, and I'm always changing it up, and I'm always doing new edits. So I've started thinking that to kind of best do this might be to show you guys individual edits, like one at a time. Like maybe once a week I'll do like this week in edits, and I'll show the 3 or 4 pictures I posted that week and how I edited those. Or maybe I'll do it like this video where I just show you how I did one edit. I really don't know. You guys let me know what you think I should do, because I can't, it's not just like a simple video where I'm like, here's how I adjust the lighting in Lightroom and I'm done. Like, I do everything different every single time. So I literally don't know what to do. Today's edit is a picture of my shoes. Here's the before and the after. I took this by laying down on the ground doing a candlestick yoga pose with my feet in the air and my mom angling down and taking a video of a picture of my feet against the sky. But as you can see, the sky has like some power lines and some trees in it, and it wasn't exactly the look that I wanted. I was super inspired by this Nike ad, and I wanted to add some clouds in and give it a vintage look, so here's how I did that. Also, this video is different because for my other editing videos I've used my phone. I actually just got an iPad Pro for graduation, and I have the Apple Pencil, and it has been so good. It has been a world of difference, but you don't need this to do that. Like, I did this all on my phone for literal years, and I don't know, it's just kind of like the ease of this, but I know that this is something that I like to do, and I know that I like to share my edits, and I know that my Instagram edits generate some money for me sometimes, so because I can do sponsorships and brand collabs. So for that reason, this was worth it to me, but if you just want to use your phone, you can do that too. Okay, so I'm opening the picture in Picsart. This is like the OG app. I've been using this since I started doing edits like this. I'm gonna come over here so I can put the screen recording over there. Okay, here we are. So for this, I clicked on tools and then the cloning tool. So what the cloning tool is this like pointer thing right here. You can see you can adjust the size, and I made it pretty big, and then you put the pointer where you want to clone, or like the part of the image that you want to clone. So for me, I wanted to put that blue sky. I wanted blue sky all over to start off with, so I put the pointer on the blue sky that I want, kind of up, and then when I drag down, it will put that blue sky on where I draw. But if you get over here and you start putting the pointer over the shoes, it's going to put the shoes down there, so you have to be careful about the size of your pointer and where your pointer is. I don't even know if pointer is the correct term, but it's what I'm using. So I'm just kind of trying to drag the sky. I feel like that works best. And you just kind of have to play around with this to really get the hang of it. I wasn't really too worried about like if there were splotches or if there was some repetition in the color, because I'm going to edit on top of it, some clouds and still a filter and stuff. So I'm just trying to get the trees going right now so that I have like a smooth base to work with. And then if you want to move the crosshairs, you click on the crosshair symbol on the bottom, and I should have mentioned that, but I move mine all the time trying to make sure that I have it in a appropriate place. And by crosshairs I mean pointer. I don't know why I'm changing the terminology halfway through the video. But yeah, if you just play around with this, you'll get the hang of it. It just takes a little bit of figuring out at first. Also, I'm filming this video on Friday, June 26th, and ASOS reposted my picture this morning, this picture, and I've gained some followers from it, so I'm really happy. I always tag brands in my pictures, but like brand reposts are never like my #1 goal, so it's always kind of a fun surprise whenever it happens. So anyway, I'm just doing this really rough. I'm just gonna speed this up. There's also an undo button on Picsart, which you'll see I'm making friends with, and I'm just doing like the majority of the trees, and we'll do like the more like fine details over there by my legs in a second. And you can just use 2 fingers to move around on Picsart. A couple of people have tried this out and have tagged me in their pictures or on their stories and stuff. So if you try this edit out, or any of the edits that I ever talk about, please tag me, because I want to see it, and of course I'll share you on my story. It's just crazy to know that people watch my videos and then like listen to my voice enough to try it themselves. Like, what? Are y'all okay? Okay, so you can make the crosshairs smaller for like more defined places, and then also you can like adjust the hardness of your brush so that you can get up to the edges and it won't be like fuzzy or anything. I didn't really worry about this until I get into these like tighter zones. Now let's go do around my legs. But the cloning tool works really well for things like this when you have a simple background, or if you want to like cover a power line in a tree or on the sky. I don't know, it's just, not always something that I use, but in times like this and this kind of edit, it's perfect. Okay, so now I'm just gonna zoom in, use a pretty small pointer and brush. Also, I would like to remind everyone that editing is for fun and it is art. So if you think that this is really stupid, and I say this because a lot of people love to make that known on my TikTok. So believe you me, I know that some of you guys think that this is just the dumbest thing in the world. But it's okay, because I like it, and I know other people like it, and we can just all have fun making some pretty pictures and really executing our ideas. A lot of guys will be like, oh my god, you can't trust girls. I bet you edit the crap out of your body. I actually don't. I don't ever edit my body. I edit every literal thing else. I edit the sky, I edit the ground, I edit my clothes, I edit colors, I edit lighting, but I do not edit my body. But a lot of times, the reason I'm editing all those other things is because I have an artistic idea and a vision, and it's not executed because I live in freaking Illinois, and there's just sometimes some things that aren't exactly how I want them to be in my pictures, and luckily we have tools to do digital editing and we can edit. Sorry that was a little tangent, but some people really do not like that people edit their pictures, or at least they don't like that I edit my pictures in the way that I do. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is like the most time consuming part of this whole thing, and that's another thing. Like, for me this is relaxing and I enjoy doing it, but for some people it's annoying. So okay, there's that. I also went ahead and changed the perspective on this picture because it was like a lot of my legs and not as much of my shoes. So you can see the perspective. You can change it with these two tools on the bottom. Like this one goes like this, but I just did the up and down perspective and I angled the shoes more towards the camera. There we go. Okay, so there's the before and after so far. And now I went to the stickers tool, and recent, you can see I have a bunch of clouds. I typed in cloud. I actually do have Picsart Premium now. I used to not. I didn't have it until like literally 2 weeks ago because Picsart DM'd me on Instagram and was like, do you want Picsart Premium? And to be completely honest, yes I do. So I have Picsart Premium now. But also, like I said, I didn't have Picsart Premium for literally ever, and if you just Google like cloud PNG and you look up clouds on Picsart and the stickers, like you can find some clouds that will work for you. It's gonna take a little digging, but you can do it. So I'm saying that because I feel like some of these are probably premium, but anyway. So I just click on the clouds and I just grabbed a few different kinds. Like, it would be helpful if I knew anything about clouds and like where they're supposed to be, like the cumulonimbus, like where should these clouds be in the sky? I don't know for sure. So I just kind of be guessing and put them where I feel like putting them. Let's see, I'm gonna grab this one, and then you can like erase parts of the sticker, and I'm gonna erase most of it except for like this little cloud patch at the bottom because I just want to add like a little detail cloud in, like maybe right there for some detail. Just keep adding your stickers and don't click apply or anything. Just put the sticker on, tap off of the sticker, click stickers, and then you can click on more. There we go. So now you'll see that there's stickers on my legs and on my shoes, and you're gonna click on the stickers that are on your legs or on your shoes, click on the erase button, and you can just go in and erase it off of what you don't want it on. And then if you kind of do like that, which was just kind of rough, you can go back in with the paintbrush and kind of add it in. Okay, so there is, oh, I don't know what the heck happened over here, but I'm gonna fix that. Okay, so now you can click apply. Boom, there's the before and after, and you could leave it at that. Or what I did was used a filter that I just found on Picsart that I'm loving. I just literally discovered it the other day. You click on FX and then filter and scroll over, and it's called 1991. So if you drag it all the way, the fade to the right, you'll see it all the way faded, and then all the way to the left you can see the filter completely applied. I just kind of did it somewhere like around there. Probably was like 49.50, that's fine. Apply, and then there is your image before and after. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I don't feel like it's as hard as it sounds. So with a little bit of practice, you'll get better at that as well. I hope that this was interesting for you. If you want more editing videos, let me know. If you have a specific... My dog wanted to say something apparently. If you have a specific edit that you have a question about, let me know and I'll make a video about it. I'm so sorry about him. He is insane, but it's okay. We love him. Alright, I love you guys. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much. Give me a thumbs up and a comment while you're at it. Why don't you? Alright, love you. See you in the next one. Bye.